Stand with feet together. Bring your palms in front of chest in prayer position. Lift the arms up and arch back. If you are unable to bend back or have back pain, keep the back and arms straight. Gradually increase flexibility by bending the arms. Bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. Bring palms in line with feet. If you are unable to reach down, bend your knees. Beginners can also practice in this position if feeling strain while bending. Now push your right leg back. Keep left leg in line with arms and look up. If you feel strain in legs or back, bring the knee and foot on floor. Next, take the left leg also back and bring the whole body in a straight line in plank position. Gently bring body down, raise from the pelvis region, touching the floor by chin, palms, knees and feet. Lie down in prone position if unable to lift posterior up. Next, raise the chest up into the cobra pose, straightening the arms. Stretch as much as you can. You may keep elbows bent. Lift the hips and tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V position. If you feel strain in legs, lift the heels up. Bring left leg in front and right leg straight. Look up. Bring the right leg forward and bend. Roll the spine up, raise your arms and bend back. Come straight, hands in Anjali Mudra. Now bring the arms down and relax. Let's have another round. Anjali Mudra. Inhale, try to reach up with fingers. Exhale, try to keep the hands fixed in this position henceforth through the entire sequence. Inhale. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You can do step 4 and 9 with alternate legs. Exhale. Try to touch your nose to knees. Inhale and exhale. Thank you.